In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to create a Code 39 barcode generator in C#. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's tutorial is a focused one. We're generating Code 39 barcodes in C# using IronBarcode. Now, if you don't know, Code 39 is one of the oldest and most widely supported barcode formats out there, used everywhere from warehouse inventory to healthcare labels. And if you need to generate it in .NET, this is the quickest way there. IronBarcode is already installed via NuGet, and you can see it here in the Visual Studio. We're importing the IronBarcode namespace at the top of the program CS, and the license is configured. One thing worth noting, IronBarcode works in trial mode without a key, but you'll get a watermark on generated images. So if you want to get rid of that, grab a trial license from the link in the description to remove it. All right, so the core of everything is barcode.writer.createBarcode. Two parameters, the value you want to encode, in our case, the IronBarcode website URL, and the encoding type, which is barcode encoding.code39. That returns a generated barcode object, one method call, and the barcode exists. Everything after that is just presentation. Speaking of presentation, we're adding an annotation text to make the output more useful. Add annotation text above barcode, puts a label above the barcode, in this case, product URL. Then add barcode value text below barcode, automatically renders the encoded value as human readable text underneath. Both are optional, of course, but for anything printed or customer facing, they're definitely worth including. You'll notice here the commented out resize to call. That's there to show you that the option does exist if you need to specify a size for a label template or print spec. One line handles it. We're leaving it commented here so the output uses the default dimensions. Then we save with save as image, which writes the PNG to the project directory, and we're done. So let's run it. Console opens, prints Code 39 barcode generator, exit code 0, no errors, and let's look at what got generated. All right, so here's Iron Software's barcode with text.png. Top, the annotation label, product URL. In the middle, the actual Code 39 barcode. Those vertical bars are encoding the URL character by character. And the bottom, the human readable value. Clean, scannable, print ready. If you pull this into a label template or a PDF invoice, it would slot right in. All right, and that's the whole thing. A few lines of code, a professional barcode with annotations, ready for inventory systems, product labeling, or whatever your use case is. The same pattern scales. So swap value, swap the encoding type, and you've got different barcode format with minimal changes. All right, we hope that was useful. Subscribe for more tutorials from Iron Software. We've got a whole library of them coming. And to try IronBarcode yourself, go ahead and grab a free trial using the link below. Install the package, run the code, and you'll have barcodes generating in minutes.